Welcome back to Kai's Corner. I hope you guys are all well. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. As you can see, we have another delicious looking recipe right here. I will be sharing how I make this chicken stew. Bienvenue sur Kai's Corner, je suis Kai, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Dans cette vidéo, je vais partager avec vous comment je réalise ma sauce tomate au poulet. Et là, je vais vous montrer tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour cette recette. So guys, I will be showing you now all the ingredients we're going to need to make this delicious stew. Keep watching. Lime, you need the lime to clean the chicken properly. Ginger, all-purpose seasoning, rapeseed oil, tomato puree, and 2 chopped tomatoes. So I'm going to blend all these ingredients now and add it to the chicken and start cooking. J'ai déjà bien nettoyé le poulet avec du citron. C'est le poulet dur, donc ça prendra beaucoup de temps. I'm going to add now the blended ginger, garlic and onions to the chicken. Après avoir passé tout au mixeur, là je vais ajouter ça au poulet. Now add the onions. All-purpose seasoning, some salt, once everything is mixed properly, you add a little bit of water and cover your pot and let it cook for 1 hour because it's hard chicken, it takes longer to cook. Time to time, just check it out. Cover it back up. After half an hour, we're going to check it. I like my chicken very soft, so I'm gonna cook it for another half an hour. Je vais laisser cuire pendant 30 minutes encore. Je vais laisser reposer un peu et puis frire après. Now my chicken is ready, so I'm just gonna put it on the side. After frying the chicken, I'm going to start making the stew now. I'm going to add some onions. After frying this for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add the tomato puree now. Let this cook for 5 minutes and then add all the blended ingredients. Now I'm happy with it. I'm going to add the blended ingredients. I'm adding the all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to cover it up, let it cook for 10 minutes before adding the chicken. Just check it. If you feel like it needs a little bit of salt, which is the case, I'm going to add the salt now. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's looking lovely. I'm going to add the onions. The bell pepper and the scotch bonnet. Cover it up for another 6-7 minutes and the stew will be ready. Cover it up and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes and the stew will be ready. Let's check the stew. It should be ready by now. Look really good. Comment below as well what you like about my recipe. Of course, let me know what you're going to pair this stew with and make sure you give it a try and let me know. I'm sure you're going to love it. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, kindly subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, bye. Et voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la recette d'aujourd'hui. Si c'est le cas, n'oubliez pas de liker, partager et abonnez-vous aussi si vous êtes nouveau sur ma chaîne. À très bientôt. Au revoir.